where we cook, make, and bake healthy recipes with love.
That's gluten-free and sugar-free. This is our host, Larita Love.
And these are my assistants, Jonas and Jakob.
For today's edition, it's all pajamas. And before we do any baking, we will have to wash our hands.
Today we'll be making chocolate almond fudge. That is sugar-free and gluten-free.
For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. Hello world.
Cashews. Swerve. Coconut oil. Stevia chocolate chips. Vanilla extract.
And
Himalayan salt. And almond butter.
For this recipe, you will also need
A mixing spoon. A measuring spoon. A cake pan. Measuring cup. And a saucepan.
Pause the video here to review the recipe.
On your stove, in a saucepan, add 3/4 cup of coconut oil.
Add a cup of almond butter.
And then, can you pass me the...
And then store in 1 cup of stevia sweetened chocolate chips.
Add a half a cup of swerve. And then store your mixture over medium heat. Then add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt. And stir! Place your cashews on the bottom of the cake pan. And pour the mixture over the cashews. Place your mixture in the freezer. While the mixture was in the freezer, we had a little dance party.
Some yoga.
Jonas did some yoga and he even did a little meditating. About an hour, we were happy to find it was ready to eat.
Now that it's out of the freezer, let's dig in.